Assalamu alaikum. This is Sagir Rahman along with my group member Ikhlaq Ahmed. Today our presentation topic is excitation of electric machine using solar cells photovoltaic phenomena. Supervised by Dr. Qasim Ali and co-supervised by Ghulam Akbar. Follow up the presentation is introduction, then problem statement, aims and objectives, then methodology, result and discussions, and conclusion and future work. First of all, introduction. A synchronous machine consists of two parts, rotating parts and the stationary part. The rotating part of the machine is rotor and the stationary part is the stator. And synchronous machines demands an extra DC source of power for field winding excitation. To meet their desire of separate DC source, we mostly use slip rings and carbon brushes are a separate DC source for field winding excitation. We are aimed to work on a novel idea of excitation system of brushless synchronous machine. Recently, permanent magnet machines are under spotlight because of their high efficiency, and they are costly. In contrast, wound rotor synchronous machines are low cost. In wound rotor synchronous machines, DC current can be applied to rotor either by brushes or slip rings or brushless excitation method. Brushes and slip rings have less and maintenance problems, losses and maintenance problems. In some cases, auxiliary windings are used for purpose of excitation of field winding. Different solutions are being proposed in research work related to brushless synchronous machine. The cost of permanent magnets are very high and they are not economical in nature. We propose a novel idea for excitation of brushless synchronous machines. PV cells will be used for field winding excitation of synchronous machine. PV cell can be placed at inner side of the machine or outer side of the machine. Now, aims and objectives. Aims design of brushless wound rotor synchronous machine using high efficiency PV cells. Objectives are simulation of brushless wound rotor synchronous machines, inner rotor model, and other is outer rotor model. MATLAB simulation of proposed model, hardware design excitation of rotor winding through PV cells. Methodology. We will design two models of proposed topology. Inner rotor model and outer rotor model or brushed model. For inner rotor model, PV cells will be installed on the rotor of the synchronous machines and artificial LEDs will be installed on the inner side of the rotor, stator of brushless synchronous machine. Output of PV cell will be provided to field windings of synchronous machine for excitation purpose. In outer rotor model, PV cells or panels will be placed outside of the machine to excite the field winding of synchronous machine. Results and discussion. We have designed 4 models, 2 on MATLAB and 2 in ANSYS Maxwell. In ANSYS Maxwell, we have designed one model for synchronous generator and the other one is for the motor. Components and their specification for design of synchronous motors are stator outer diameter, stator inner diameter, rotor's diameter, diameter of rotor shaft. These are given in the table. Simulation design of synchronous generator. A 2D model of synchronous motor in ANSYS Maxwell and its analyzed at load condition as shown in the figure. The synchronous motor at load condition. Induced voltages for each phase equal to 521 watt voltages and flux linkage is 1.88 Weber. Simulation design of synchronous generator. Generator parts and their specification is given. Stator outer diameter, inner diameter, stator's core, etc. are given in the table. Results and ANSYS Maxwell 2D analysis of synchronous generator. ANSYS Maxwell uses finite element analysis for measuring desired value. To run a finite element analysis simulation, a mesh is generated containing millions of small elements that make up the overall shape of the model. All the elements of the mesh are added to show output result. Output result of synchronous generator. The excitation current or input current is equal to 2 ampere, induced voltage 220 volts, and flux linkage equal to 0.65 Weber, as shown in the graph. MATLAB design of synchronous generator. In MATLAB, 2 models of the synchronous generator are designed to analyze and verify the results. Conventional synchronous generator and proposed synchronous generator. Further work is carried out on hardware to verify that whether excitation of field winding of synchronous generator through PV cell is possible or not. Conventional synchronous generator. In this conventional synchronous generator, torque is given to the rotor through prime mover, and excitation is given to the rotor windings through a DC source. And the output from the stator winding is taken, which is as shown in the 208.7 VRMS. The three-phase series RLC load is connected on MATLAB simulation. Conventional synchronous generator model. Output current of the synchronous generator is 7 amps. Output voltage of synchronous generator in VRMS are 208. Now it's over to Clark Aman.
This is Ikhlaq Aman. Now I will further explain proposed synchronous generator model. In this model, we are trying to excite synchronous generator from a solar panel. So basically what we are doing, we are converting first output of PV panel into per unit system, and then that per unit system is giving to synchronous generator to excite the field winding of synchronous. So we try to excite the synchronous generator winding at different conditions. So first was we provided excitation in per unit 0.3, 0.6, 0.9 and 1, and we get different voltages. And then we analyze the PV panel at daylight condition, and then that condition implemented in the MATLAB. In initial hardware design, we tried to excite the rotor winding through batteries and PV panel. We used the 9-volt battery to excite the field winding of the synchronous generator. We noted that the flux generated from the 9-volt battery was 4.9 millitesla, and the flux generated by a 100-watt PV panel using 3 light 100-watt bulb was 4.9. The flux generated from that was 4.9 millitesla. So we used small solar panel on rotor to check whether the generation through PV cell is possible at rotating condition or not. We verify that generation at rotating condition is possible. In outer rotor design, we tried to excite the field winding of synchronous generator through the PV cell placed outside the generator. And we used two methods. First one was 100-watt bulb and artificial light source, and the second one was sunlight. When we used artificial light, we provided excitation 0.18 to field winding, and we generated almost 4 voltages AC of a 24-volt rated synchronous generator. Excitation through sunlight, we placed PV panel at sun excitation, and we provided excitation 0.34, and we generated 4.5 output voltages. Output voltages waveform. That is output voltage widget that we generated is shown in the figure. In the inner rotor method, we conclude that PV cell is generating at rotating condition. Flux generated by PV cell is 1.6 to 2 millitesla. Due to low efficiency of PV cell, further work will be carried out in future at the large generator. In outer rotor model, we achieved our desired result as we fixed it in the beginning. 2 types of light source was used, artificial light and sunlight. We used that outer rotor model we noted that outer rotor model is more applicable as compared to inner rotor model. In MATLAB experiment, we noted that conventional model is more efficient than the proposed one. In future work field from the experiment of inner rotor model, we have noticed that excitation of field winding of synchronous machine is possible. Further work will be carried out at large synchronous machine, installing solar cells at the rotor in future. Hardware design of outer rotor model suggests that an excitation system for synchronous machine through PV cell can be designed in the future. So this is our demo in which we have used the light source. In this video, we have used the sunlight as a light source.